Now to the Intense 5. What made the cut? Kamar Haikon says he was not deported and isn't facing jail time. These are reports that were swirling around after his arrest for grand theft auto in the States. He's home now and clearing the air. Guess who got a new crib in foreign? The one and only Sheng Yang. Shensia took to Instagram to share very small pieces of her new home. One thing we know for sure about it, it has an orange tree. 5 billionaires are missing after their submersible lost contact during an expedition to the Titanic wreck. I don't even want to imagine it. No more St. Anne for Sting. The boss says it will return to Jam World this Boxing Day.
Plantation Cove is a very nice venue, but Jam World is my home. I'm back home. I'm back home.
He promises a lineup to remember. No fake clashes at all, okay? And finally holding the spot this week. Jashi turned himself into the Constant Spring police station where he was questioned about his connection to a murder that was committed recently in Grandspen. He was released the same day. Ah boy. Well, that's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for all the intensity in entertainment.